Best 18-wheeler accident lawyer. The best 18-wheeler accident lawyer is a legal professional with a specialized and extensive understanding of the law and regulations surrounding accidents involving large commercial trucks such as a semi-truck, tractor, trailer, and other heavy vehicles. These accidents can result in severe injuries, fatalities, and substantial property damage due to the sheer size and weight of the vehicles. A top-notch 18-wheeler accident lawyer possesses the following character experience once they have in-depth knowledge of federal and state law that govern the trucking industry, including regulations set forth by the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administrations. This expertise allows them to understand the complexities of these cases and effectively navigate the legal landscape. Experience too. The best 18-wheeler accident lawyers have a proven track record of successfully handling cases to truck accident. They are experienced negotiators and litigators who understand the unique challenge these cases presented. Experience 3. Investigation skills. They have a network of experts, including accident reconstructions specialties, medical professionals, and trucking industry experts, to thoroughly investigate the accident. This investigation helps establish liability and build a strong case. Number four, resource. These lawyers often have access to resource that can help gather evidence, build a compelling case, and present it effectively in court. They might also work with the teams of paralegal and legal assistants to manage to workload efficiently. Number five, compassion. The best 18-wheeler accident lawyer are empathetic towards their client's situation. They understand the physical, emotional, and financial toll that such accident can have on victims and their families. Number six, communication skills. Effective communications is crucial in legal cases. A skilled lawyer can explain complex legal concepts to client in a clear and understandable manner. They also have strong negotiation skills to communicate effectively with insurance companies, opposing counsel, judge, and juries. Number seven, client-centered approach. The need and well-being of their clients come first for the best 18-wheeler accident lawyer. They work tirelessly to ensure their client receive fair compensation for medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other damages. Number 8, track record. They have a history of securing substantial settlement or verdicts for their clients. This history demonstrates their ability to advocate for their client right effectively. 9. Reputations. Positive review referral for past client and recognition within a legal communication can reflect the lawyer's reputation and standing in the field. Number 10. Continually learning. Continued learning. Law and regulations change time. Over time, the best lawyers stay up to date with legal development and continuously seek to improve their knowledge and skills. When seeking the best 18 wheeler accident lawyers, it's essential to research, road review, and even schedule consultations to find a lawyer whose expertise, experience, and approach align with your specific need and circul- circumstance. So this is best 18 wheeler accident lawyer. So thanks for watching.